Hello everyone, this is Madhu Reddy. Welcome to my channel. Today I will say about how to install Eclipse in Windows operating system. Basically, Eclipse is used for programming like Java, C, C++, Python, PHP like that. Before installing Eclipse, make sure that you have Java installed on your Windows operating system. I have already created a video on how to install Java JDK on Windows operating system. Most probably I have put link in description. Okay, now you can open your favorite browser. I am opening Google Chrome. In that you have to type it as Eclipse IDE. Here now you can see the Eclipse org. This is the official website of Eclipse and click on this one. In the top right corner you may see the download option. Click on that one. Here now you can see the latest version of Eclipse IDE 2021-09. Click on download and click on download. Here I am pausing this file. Why? Because executable file is already present in my laptop. Okay. Click on show in folder and double click on that. You can see the Eclipse interface. After that you can see this type of interface. Here you can develop any programs. For suppose you are developing Java developer, you can choose first one. For suppose you are choosing C or C++ developer, you can choose third one. For suppose you are choosing PHP developer, we are choosing PHP. Like that there are many ideas there. We are choosing Java developers. Click on that one. Here it is showing installation. This is Java 11. This is the path where we can store the location. This is the installation folder where the Eclipse is stored. This gives store default and click on install. Here now you can see the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. In the description, the essential tools for any Java developer, including a Java IDE, a Git client, XML editor, Maven and Gradle integration. And it is used for these installation of Java developers. See here you can see that installation completed successfully. That means Eclipse installation is successfully completed. And now you can see that Eclipse IDE icon. Click on that one. See here you can choose the location where your Eclipse is present. I am choosing my location. I am saving this in desktop. In the I am creating one more folder for that, giving name as Eclipse and click on enter. In that I have to store, and here you can choose default and don't ask again. Use this default one and click on launch. And now you can see that this type of interface in your screen, and just click on close button. Here you can see file. In the left top corner you can see file. In the file, create a new project. In the new Java project, give project name as Java program demo. I am giving my Java program demo and use this as default and click on next finish. After that it will ask Java program demo module name and click here and create. After that, now you can see here it will be generated. Now you can see that I have to delete this file. Right click on that, delete the file. In the src folder you have to create one more class. In that you have to right click on that. In that you have to choose new. In that class, here you have to type program as, give anyone name, hello world, and this use as default and use main method. Without main method we cannot execute the program, that's why use main method and click on finish. Now you can see this type of these things, and you can remove this one auto generated. And I am writing one simple program, that is system dot out dot println welcome to innovative tech solutions. Innovative tech solutions. And here you have to keep semicolon. See, there is no error in my program, and click on run button. Okay, you can see my output, welcome to innovative tech solutions. Or otherwise, how we can run like that, you can see, right click on hello world.java. You can see run as. In the run as you can see Java application. You can see like that also. In the we have one more method. Again you have to press Control F11. It is the one more method. Thank you. This is the video for that. If you have any doubt, feel free to post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.